my channel. So today we're going to be doing this mermaid inspired look. I did this look like how many years ago? Like 3, 4? I don't even know. 3, 4 years ago, I want to say around about that time. And about a month ago I thought I'd recreate it, and then I asked if you guys wanted to see it in a video, and I've only just got around to filming it as I've been filming so many Revolution Pro videos. I'll try and link my Revolution Pro videos down below in case you want to see them as well. Yeah, so I'll leave a little photo up above of when I first did this look so you guys can see it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Yes, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. For my brows I used the Revolution Pro brow cushion. Now I've already set my eye off camera as well. I used just a normal like cream shadow and concealer. So yeah, I'm first going to take the shade Dragonfly. Looks like this. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe MB23 brush. And then I'm going to take the shade Shark Bait, which is also from Makeup Geek. I don't know if I said the first one was from Makeup Geek, but this one is. And I'm just going to take that on a Morphe E17 brush, which looks like this. Okay. And I'm going to put that like on the outer part. It's a really easy eye look, so running that through my crease as well. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush. This is just a Morphe M576 brush. Looks like this. Just to blend out the edges. And then I'm going to take the shade Blacklight, it's like this, also from Makeup Geek. And I'm just going to pop that all over my lid, just using the Morphe M422 brush. Spray some on it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Glam Crystals glitter liner from Collection in the shade Glitz. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I'm just going to put that in the inner portion of my eye. In my original look that I did on Instagram, I didn't do this, but I'm just going to apply some mascara. I'm just going to use the Lash Sensational, which looks like this, on my lashes. I will be applying falsies. I'm going to do them off camera. So on my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to use the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Forever Lit. Yeah, it's called Forever Lit. I'm just going to use that, take that on my E36 brush. And my brow bone. Finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'm going to do apply my lashes as well off camera, and then I'll come back so we can do the lips. Right, for lips, I was going to do 2 lips, but not anymore. It's not happening again. Take the shade Visionary from Revolution Pro. Which looks, it's the Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment. And I put that on. I've forgotten what lipstick I used from my last look. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the Galaxy Lumiere holographic lip gloss, and this is in the shade Glorious Pink, which looks like this. And I'm just going to put that over the top. I wanted it to look a bit more glossy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Instagram, as that is where I post most of my photos and my polls and stuff as well. If you haven't checked out my last video, I'll link that down below, and everything else I'm wearing, I'll link that down below as well. And I'll see you in my next one.